Hello, everyone, and welcome to Book Explorers, where we explore great books for kindergarten through second grade and third through fifth grade every month. My name is Jamie, and I work at the Gonzales branch of the Denver Public Library. If you enjoyed Fry Bread or you're looking for more books about community and storytelling, an early chapter book that you might like is Zoe and Sassafras by Asia Citro. There is something funny about the photograph that Zoe finds in her mother's desk. It glows. It turns out that Zoe has a special ability, just like her mother. They both can see magical animals. So while Zoe's mom is away, Zoe and her cat Sassafras help magical animals who were sick or injured. In this first book, they find out whether or not marshmallows are good for baby dragons when a sick one shows up at the barn behind their house. The animals may be fantastic, but the science is real, as Zoe does research and creates experiments to figure out how to help each creature. This book for transitional readers has short chapters and lots of pictures, making it great for reading on your own or for sharing with a grown-up or a bigger kid. Again, that's Dragons and Marshmallows by Asia Citro.